Hi guys, this is Reshma, and so guys, we need to solve this differential equation, right? So this is, first of all, we need to identify it, and this equation is a linear differential equation. And guys, how do we know it? Because the form of differential equation is dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are the function of x. So guys, continuing, let me write it in a form so that it is more clear how it is a linear differential equation. We have divided both sides by x square minus 1. So when we divide by x square minus 1, this is what we'll get. And now if you compare, you will get p as 2x by x square minus 1 and q as 1 by x square minus 1, right? Okay, so now guys, we need to find integrating factor, which is e twice of x square minus 1 dx. Guys, we are assuming x square minus 1 is equal to t, so 2x by t into dx is dt. So we'll get a 2x dx is dt, right? 1 by t, right? That's give us e log t, that is t, and t is, guys, x square minus 1. So our integrating factor is x square minus 1. Okay guys, and let me mark this equation as 1, as this is the our equation in the linear equation form, right? So guys, continuing, what will be the next step? You need to multiply the integrating factor on both sides, right? So multiplying the squares are in here, forgot that. So guys, square again, so it will be x square minus 1 dy by dx. Here the x square minus 1 will get cancelled, so it will be this, and here this side it will be x square minus 1, right guys? Cool. Continuing, we can write this as tx square minus 1 into y. Okay, and now we need to integrate. Integrating on both sides, we will get t dx x square minus 1 y dx, and this side also we will integrate. And when we integrate, we get a constant, right guys? So guys, this is what we'll get. And now to integrate, let me show you a formula. Guys, we'll be using this formula, okay? We'll use this formula to find the value. So it will be x square minus 1y is equal to 1 by 2. It was here, a is 1, so into 1 log x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus c. So guys, this is your differential equation. This is the required solution, guys. Thank you.